Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change chat wallpaper on WhatsApp. Maybe you are tired of the default wallpaper or simply want to customize your chat background. So today I'm going to show you how to change chat wallpaper on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat that you want to change the wallpaper. Once you have selected the chat, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear, and here, tap on this wallpaper option. Now, to change the wallpaper, tap on this change option. Here, you will see a list of available wallpaper options. To select a default wallpaper, simply tap on the one that you like from the list. Once you have chosen a wallpaper, you will be shown a preview. You can adjust the position of the wallpaper by dragging it with your finger. When you are satisfied with the positioning, tap on the Set Wallpaper option to confirm your selection. In this menu, you can select if you want to set this wallpaper to this conversation only or for all the chats in dark theme. After choosing, tap on OK. After that, you now have successfully changed the chat wallpaper on WhatsApp. Your selected chat will now have a new and personalized background. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change chat wallpaper on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change chat wallpaper on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.